So starting out first, I went ahead and applied my foundation. You do want a matte finish. Starting out first, I'm going in with their Repair Lip Mask. Very beautiful packaging. It's actually a lot more lightweight than I thought. Not as moisturizing as I would like it. I am a little bit picky when it comes to lip prepping products, but we'll have to see once I apply the lip products on later in the video. I'm going to contour, and all the products that I use are going to be listed down below in the description box. Do contour according to your face shape. I'm actually going to blot this lip mask right now because it's kind of making my lips really grainy. Next up, I'm going to be using their blush brush. I'm going to be using a baby pink color as my base. Add this to the center. You could also brush the rest of the product down to give it that flushed look. The brush does a really good job of picking up product. I've been obsessed with purple blushes. I'm going to go with Etude House's Cookie on top. You could also use Dusty Beige. Apply this in the center of your cheeks. I'm also going to add a little bit on my nose. And moving on to the eyes, I'm going to go in with their Little Angel Collection 9-color eyeshadow palette. Very beautiful and flattering shade colors. This is the perfect palette that I've been looking for. Very beautiful glitters, some purple and pink shades, and brown and dark gray shades. Starting off with Belong to You as a base color. And then I'm going to mix it with a purple shade. Deepen it with a little bit of that dark brown. Then I'm going to add a little bit of that purple and put it on the bottom. The glitters was more of like a chunky glitter type of style. I'm going to go with a pink, the pink version. I'm actually going to be using a gray eyebrow pencil and making that Aegyo style look. This is a little bit too light for my eyebrows, so I like to use it for that Aegyo style look. I'm going to go in with that same glitter from the palette and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to use an English brush and some of that brown black color from the palette and just create a winged eyeliner look. I want it to look a little bit natural. A very soft and smoky eyeliner. I'm going to put it in the lower lid and extend it slightly outwards. Next up are lashes. You can choose whatever lash you prefer. I'm just going to go ahead with mascara. Last but not least, we're going to go with highlighter. I'm going to be using their embossed highlighter in 3 Chanting Anthem. You have a pearl white highlighting color. It is very, very pigmented, so a little does go a long way. This might be my new favorite highlighter. Very small particles, looks very natural. I'm going to add it in the corner of my eyes to give it a very nice pop. I'm very impressed with the highlighter and palette. This is their Little Angel Collection matte lipstick. You have shade number 1 Starry Cross and number 5 Chair. Number 5 Chair is like a really hot pink color, which is also perfect for Valentine's. I'm actually going to go with number 1. You have a very beautiful pink beige color. I see a lot more share than I thought. I'm actually going to go with the Chair and just put it in the center of my lips. Very soft and blendable formula. I'm going to finish it off with Bare Grape and I'm just going to put it